Hey, it's me again, Dantora, your cat dentist. I explain real dental problems in a simple way. Today, the gap between your front teeth. Some people like it, some people hate it. But here's the question, why is it even there? There isn't just one reason. Sometimes it's genetics. You were simply born that way. Other times, a small extra tissue between the teeth pushes them apart. Or your teeth are too small for your jaw, so space appears. And sometimes, bad habits, like pushing the tongue forward, slowly open that gap. Now, is it dangerous? Not always. But it can cause problems. Food gets stuck, gums get irritated. Teeth can move even more over time, affecting your smile. So how do dentists fix it? First option, braces. They slowly move teeth together. Second, clear aligners. Less visible, same idea. Third, bonding. A dentist adds material to close the gap instantly. Or veneers for a full cosmetic change. But are these safe? Yes, when done correctly. But some things to know. Braces take time, months, sometimes years. Bonding can wear out, may need fixing later. Veneers remove a small layer of your tooth. That's permanent. So, the gap is not always a problem. But if it bothers you, there are solutions. Thanks for watching. If you want more simple dental explanations, subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you in the next one.